Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on this. This is an 8x10 canvas. I just have some leftover paints that I'm just going to play around with today. I'm going to be using white for the base here. I am using, let's see if I can remember here what I have. This is Blinkrylic Turquoise. This is Decoart's Peacock Pearl. This is Decoart's Metallic Sapphire. This is Liquitex Basics Neon Orange. And this is a mixture of, what did I use for that baby blue? I think I used the Blinkrylic's Florescent blue, and then I added some Amsterdam's titanium white in there until I got it to that baby blue. And then my Shmear color will be Amsterdam's titanium white. Sorry about the light from up above. So much shimmer. That orange just is like a beautiful pop of coolness. So pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you will. Look at that. That's so cool. So much shimmer. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and you will like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next videos. Yeah, I usually post up videos on Sunday and Wednesday, and then some random ones here and there if I do a collaboration on a different day of the week. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. All your support to my channel is just amazing. I'm growing slowly, but I'm growing. That's all that matters. And thanks to you guys that I'm keep going in the right direction. I hope everybody is healthy and safe. And yeah, have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.